हाँ, पर क्या कर सकता आदमी।
फर्क पड़ता है भाई, हमें हमें फर्क पड़ता है। यस कम ऑन, ज्योति स्टार्ट करो।
Okay, good. Hello everyone. My name is Jyoti Narwal and I am the student of Ramban Online Introductory Class Batch First. And today I'm telling about what is the role of father in our life.
सुनो
And
ध्यान से सारे सारे, हाँ।
and we all know very well that what is the important role in our what is the role of father in our life.
हम्म,
Mother gives us birth and she loves us very much, but the second number is father, and father also loves us very much.
हम्म,
Mother gives us milk, but father gives us his blood, and father gives us his name and surname. And
हम्म,
by his name we recognize in society, and
हम्म।
without
वी आर रिकॉग्नाइज्ड,
we are
ऐसे रोज बनेगा ये।
recognized. Yes sir, we are recognized in society, and without his name we are nothing in
हम्म,
society.
हम्म,
And fa- many and father is like a hero because many times he face many problems, and
फेसेस, करेक्ट
he
करेक्ट
faces
कोशिश करो, हाँ।
yes sir, he faces many problems in his life, but
हम्म,
he but he never tell to other that what is going on in her life, sorry, his
शाबाश,
life.
वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा बोला, हाँ।
And oh, and when mother face many
फेसेस,
problem faces
फेसेस
many
और फोन का ध्यान
faces
रखो आप, हाँ।
and mother faces many problems in her life, then she she shows by weeping, but father never cry in his life because
क्राइज, ऐसे भी इसका
sorry,
ध्यान रखो।
but is father does not cry in his life because it is said that men are stronger than women,
हम्म,
so he never he never
क्राइज, क्राइज,
cries.
ऐसे भी इसका ध्यान क्यों नहीं रख रहे हो तुम?
Yes, sir. So he never cries, and
हाँ,
and father father prouds us
फादर इज
when
प्राउड,
father is proud
इज
of
प्राउड ऑफ
us
अस।
when we
हाँ,
are recognized by our names, and
हाँ,
that
शाबाश,
time
हाँ।
and that time he was and that time he खुश होते हैं, and that time he is very happy, we we can when get then we get success in our life. and
हाँ,
and I'm telling about my father, and my father's
हाँ,
name is Mr. Bhagchand Narwal, and
हाँ,
he's a he is about 50 years old.
हाँ,
he he works very hard for us, and
हाँ।
he doesn't think about his because he always think
अबाउट हिम,
about
अबाउट हिम, अबाउट
about
हिज
him.
नहीं, अबाउट हिम। हाँ,
Yes sir. He
हाँ।
doesn't think about him, and he always think about his
थिंग्स,
children, things his
हाँ,
children,
हाँ,
because every parent thinks thinks for their children's that
हाँ, ठीक करो
like
थोड़ा। एवरी पेरेंट नहीं,
sorry,
ऑल पेरेंट्स, पेरेंट्स।
sorry, all parents thinks for
थिंग्स क्यों
their
आएगा, थिंक आएगा।
sorry
ध्यान थोड़ा
सोचते
सा,
हैं,
हाँ।
yes sir, yes sir,
अच्छा बोल रहे हो, पर थोड़ा
all
सा सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस में गड़बड़ कर रहे हो वर्क फॉर्म में, हाँ आगे बोलो।
yes sir, all parents think for their children that
हाँ,
all parents that how can how can sorry that they every parent think for their children for his future, because nowadays मुझे महंगाई को क्या बोलेंगे?
इन्फ्लेशन।
Because inflation is going on, because inflation is increased day by day, and
इज इंक्रीजिंग।
is increasing day by day, and in the future we faces many problems, so he
वी फेस।
we face many problems in our future, so he tells about, so he prepares and he motivates us for
हाँ
for facing all problems.
हाँ।
That's it, Guruji.
वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा। वेरी नाइस स्पीकिंग। बस थोड़ा ध्यान रखो, वर्क फॉर्म का ध्यान रखो थोड़ा सा बोलते समय ना। बाकी सब
Yes,
बढ़िया है,
sir.
कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। यस कम ऑन यामिनी।
हाँ. Hello everyone, my name is Yashashvi Saw. I am the student of Rambar English Interactive Classes from batch B10. Today, I am today my topic is father. My uh, father is the second important person in our life because he fulfill our all the requirements.
शाबाश, रिक्वायरमेंट्स। वेरी गुड। हाँ बहुत अच्छा बोला, आगे बोलो।
He 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 go to market and earn money uh, and fulfill our requirements like buy clothes, buy food, many other things.
शाबाश।
Our our father prepared a educational person.
हाँ।
Our father the thought in our future.
तो पास्ट क्यों बोल रहे हो आप? पास्ट में क्यों ले जा रहे हो? थॉट क्यों? अवर फादर थिंक्स। प्रेजेंट
हाँ,
यूज करो। हाँ
our father thinks in our
हाँ
future.
हाँ। इन अवर नहीं, फॉर अवर फ्यूचर।
For our future.
हाँ।
Our father fight. Our father fight from us. Our
है
father fight. हमारे लिए
फाइट्स। हाँ
हम
फाइट्स।
our father fights from us. Our
फॉर फ्रॉम अस नहीं, फॉर अस।
for us. Our
हाँ
father play with us. Our father. Uh, our father go sorry worshipped God and pray
वर्शिप्ड
our
क्यों? वर्शिप्स होगा ना। टेंस का ध्यान नहीं रख रहे हो तुम, पास्ट टेंस में बोल रहे हो आप इसको।
sir, our
नहीं, ध्यान
father
रखो ना आप। हाँ
worship, worship God and pray my child go to right side.
हाँ ठीक है।
My father's name is Vishnu Kumar Sahu. He is 39 years old. He go to temple. He go to shop. He he
तो
go
मेरा
to
एस और यस का ध्यान रखो, वर्क में थोड़ा सा ध्यान रखो।
he goes to shop. He he buy. He purchase.
बाइज,
He
परचेजेस।
has purchases ice cream, chocolates from us. He
फॉर
buy.
अस। कितनी बार मैंने समझाया आपको? हमारे लिए, फॉर अस।
He purchases clothes for us.
हाँ
He he earn money
हाँ।
and and तो बोल दिया सर सॉरी मैंने बोल दिया
कोई बात नहीं।
हाँ his favorite color is blue.
हाँ
He क्या बोलूं he 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 get up early in the morning.
कैट्स अप।
He gets up early in the morning. He
हाँ
puts simple clothes
पुट्स
like
ऑन।
सब puts ही बोला है
पुट्स नहीं, पुट्स ऑन।
puts on. He puts on simple clothes like pant, t-shirt, dhoti, kurta, pajama, etc.
हाँ।
My father play with me.
प्लेज, एस और यस का ध्यान रखो कि डांट खाओगे अब तुम।
My father plays with me.
हाँ
My father looks after me.
हाँ
My father is very honest person.
ऑनेस्ट नहीं, ऑनेस्ट।
Honest
हाँ
person.
हाँ
Father is punctual.
हाँ।
My father is very great father.
हाँ,
I like my father so much. Thank you, sir. That's it.
वेरी गुड, नाइस स्पीकिंग। बहुत अच्छी कोशिश की तुमने आज। थोड़ा सा वर्क फॉर्म का ध्यान रखो बस, है ना?
Okay, sir.
शाबाश, गुड गोइंग। यस, नाउ आई एम कॉलिंग चेतना।
Yes, sir. Father is the most important in my life.
आराम से बोल, वर्क का
Father
ध्यान
is
रख
the
करके।
most important in my life.
इन माई लाइफ।
In my life, if
अरे
full
इन माई लाइफ।
in my life,
थोड़ा ध्यान से बोलना, इतनी जल्दबाजी काहे की हो रही है तेरे को? फिर डांट खाएगी अभी। आगे बोल।
if full faith our money.
हैं?
सर ये पॉकेट मनी देने वाले को क्या पॉकेट?
सेंटेंस बोल पूरा।
सर वो मुझे पॉकेट मनी देता है।
तो ही गिव्स मी पॉकेट मनी।
He he's gave me pocket money.
अरे क्या कर रही है लड़की? ही गिव्स मी।
He gives me pocket money. Me.
क्या कर रही है तू ऐसे? हाँ,
He
अभी तेरे को मैंने
his
बोला कि
father.
बेस्ट परफॉर्म किया तूने, अब सब गड़बड़ कर दिया।
सर वो गलती से हो गया ना सर।
ऐसी कैसी गलती है? आगे बोलो।
He's my father is best father.
हाँ,
My father my father dream my father dream is my father dream is police officer me.
फादर ड्रीम नहीं, फादर्स ड्रीम।
Father's dream my
Is-
father's
is-
dream is police officer me.
अरे नहीं, इज टू मेक मी
Is to make me
पुलिस ऑफिसर।
police officer is make
ना बस। अरे सारा गड़बड़ कर देती है तू। तेरे आगे बोलो।
our father fights for us.
हाँ,
Our father prepare education person.
हाँ,
Mm, my father's name is Rajesh Kumar Sokaria.
हाँ,
He is 39 years old.
ओके।
He is hard worker.
हार्ड वर्किंग, हाँ ठीक है, बोलो।
Hard working.
हाँ,
He is very intelligent. He is very talented.
हाँ,
My father teaches for me.
हाँ, टीचर्स मी।
Teaches me. My father
हाँ,
teaches me.
हाँ,
His favorite food is dal bati.
ओके।
Or I love my father.
हाँ,
Or he likes phone.
हाँ,
He cares all. He helps all.
हाँ,
He. Sorry, second. His favorite color is black.
ओके।
His favorite color is black. His favorite cloth is kurta pajama.
हाँ,
He watches TV.
हाँ,
He watches TV. Sir, एक second. He go to temple daily.
हाँ,
His favorite game नहीं. That is sir.
ओके। थोड़ा सा ध्यान रखो और प्रैक्टिस करो आप अभी।
जी सर.
समझ गए ना? हाँ, थोड़ा सा अच्छा है तुम्हारा, और थोड़ी सी कोशिश करो, प्रैक्टिस करो, सेल्फ प्रैक्टिस करो, रेगुलर रहो थोड़ा सा, है ना?
जी जी.
हाँ।
तुम बीच में क्यों बोलते हो?
कम ऑन पूजा, आओ।
Sir, good evening all of you. My name is Pooja Masalpuria. I am a student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes.
हाँ
I am telling about my father.
हाँ, बिल्कुल आराम
My
से बोलना,
fa-
तसल्ली से बोलना है ना, घबराना मत, आगे
Hmm.
बोलो। हाँ
My father's name is Mr. Suresh Chand.
हाँ।
He is very hardworking.
हम्म।
He always with me.
He is always with me.
He is always with me. He
Yes.
uh, he gets up early in the morning.
हाँ।
He goes to temple daily.
हम्म।
He is punctual.
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 Punctual. पंख आधा क्या आएगा?
Punctual.
Yes, like
Punctual.
that. Very good.
He is
हाँ
punctual.
हाँ
He is polite person.
हाँ,
He is kind person.
शाबाश।
He is he always is नहीं he always helps
पूर
poors
नहीं, पुअर्स। हाँ
poors.
हाँ
My father is best father in world
हाँ, in the world।
in the world.
हाँ,
My father eats food with me.
एक मिनट, इट्स नहीं, ईट्स, लंबा करो थोड़ा।
Eats
फूड, फूड को भी लंबा करो।
food
विद मी।
with me.
हाँ,
Okay.
ध्यान रखने की चीजें हैं, इनको ठीक करो आप। हाँ,
Hmm.
आगे बोलो।
Okay. He always
है
helps
दे,
me.
दे।
He
हाँ बोलो।
he always helps me.
हाँ
He he does not like TV.
हाँ
His his favorite color is red.
हाँ
He likes methi paratha in food.
हाँ
I love my father. My
हाँ,
f- my father is that's it, sir.
वेरी गुड। बहुत अच्छी कोशिश की, है ना, करते रहो कोशिश आप। ओके, यस, कम ऑन आदित्य।
Good evening, all of you. My name is Aditya Sonwal. Today I am telling about my father.
यस,
Father is a leader and the head of the family
शाबाश बेटा, वेरी
and
गुड।
the one who keeps his family secure and stable.
वेरी गुड, सुनो सब लोग ध्यान से, बहुत अच्छा बोल रहे हैं। हाँ
He has always a source of inspiration and motivation.
हाँ बेटा, कैमरा चालू कर ले तेरा। हाँ
I am so grateful to have a blessed figure as my father.
हाँ बेटा, कैमरा चालू कर तेरा आदित्य।
My father's name
यस,
is Rakesh Kumar Sonwal.
शाबाश,
He is 33 years old.
गुड,
He is an electrician.
वेरी गुड, शाबाश बेटा। लोला,
He
कैमरा चालू कर,
goes to
कैमरा चालू
he
कर। हाँ
goes to office at 9 a.m. and
हाँ,
comes at 6 p.m. daily.
वेरी गुड। चलो
He
कैमरा।
watches he watches TV in the evening.
हाँ,
He helps me in my difficulties.
वेरी गुड। हाँ
He wears very simple clothes.
हाँ,
His favorite color is blue color.
वेरी गुड।
He gives us money.
हाँ,
He wakes up early in the morning.
यस,
He never punishes me.
गुड।
He loves us.
हम्म,
He
बोलता
makes
क्या?
fun with us.
हाँ, थोड़ा फ्लो ला। हाँ,
He tells us some important parts of life.
हम्म,
He
बोलो,
reads he reads newspaper daily in the morning.
लाओ फ्लो लाओ थोड़ा।
He is a loving and dutiful person who takes care of entire family.
हाँ, थोड़ा गैप कम करो, सेंटेंसेस के बीच में जो गैप आ रहा है उसको कम करो धीरे धीरे।
Okay, sir.
हाँ
He is an intelligent person who answers all my questions in a witty way.
हम्म,
He is good natured and very friendly person. He watches news. I love I love him. Said that's all.
वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा बेटा, ठीक है। आपके दो सेंटेंसेस के बीच में जो गैप आ रहा है ना,
हाँ
दो
सर।
सेंटेंसेस के बीच में उस गैप को थोड़ा सा तो धीरे धीरे कम करने की कोशिश करो तो फ्लो आएगा फिर।
ओके सर।
हाँ, नेक्स्ट टाइम ध्यान रख बेटा, बाकी बहुत अच्छा है, कोशिश करते रहो।
थैंक यू
यस,
सर।
नाउ कम ऑन प्रिया।
Yes, sir.
यस।
Good evening, all of you. My name is Priya Meena, and today I'm going to tell you about my father. Father is a pillar of our family who brings happiness in our life. Father is like a big tree who always keeps our family in his shadow. He is the superhero of our life
शाबाश, सुनो इसको भी, बहुत अच्छा बोल रहे हैं। हाँ,
because he teaches and take cares us. And
टेक्स
now I
केयर बेटा, टेक केयर नहीं, टेक्स केयर, वर्ब तो टेक है ना,
yes, sir.
टेक्स केयर अस। हाँ,
And now I tell you about my father. My
यस।
father's name is Mr. Ramcharan Meena. He is about 40 years old and he lives in my village. He is a polite man and kind person. He is punctual. He teaches my younger brothers who live in my village. Sometimes he tells us amazing folk tales which are very interesting and knowledgeable for us.
शाबाश बेटा, बहुत अच्छा है। हाँ,
He is not like those person who understand that a man can't make food. He he can cook food and sometimes he makes sabji for us.
वेजिटेबल्स, शाबाश बेटा, कोई बात नहीं,
Yes,
बहुत अच्छा बोल रहे हैं। हाँ,
vegetable for us.
हाँ, वेरी गुड, वेरी नाइस
He
प्रिया।
takes care.
हाँ,
He takes care us
हाँ,
and he fulfills our all needs.
गुड,
That's it.
वेरी गुड, नाइस स्पीकिंग, शॉर्ट एंड स्वीट, बहुत अच्छा बोला, शाबाश। अब कंटिन्यू रखोगे ना, थोड़ा फ्लो और फ्लो आएगा, अभी बहुत फ्लो आ जाएगा, अभी इतना फ्लो आ जाएगा, बहुत अच्छी फ्लुएंसी हो जाएगी, है ना। बस करते रहो आप। रक्षित, कैमरा चालू करो अपना,
Yes, sir.
कैमरा चालू कर बेटा।
Hello.
यस,
Hello everyone, my name is Rakshit Moye. I'm the student of Ramban English Online Interactive Classes from Batch 10. My topic is my father.
हाँ,
Father is very important person in our life because
शाबाश।
he support to us and he buy all things to for us.
हाँ, फोरस टू कॉट आओ। हाँ, आराम से बोलो, बिल्कुल मत घबराओ, बिल्कुल मत घबराओ, एकदम सीधे बैठो और आराम से बोलो बेटा, है ना, घबराओ मत बिल्कुल भी। हाँ,
He gives sanskar like help to people and
हाँ,
respect to elders, etc.
शाबाश, वेरी गुड, यस।
My father go to bank, do hard working.
डू हार्ड वर्किंग नहीं, डू हार्ड वर्क।
Yes, sir, do hard work and earn money for us.
वेरी गुड, यस।
My father name is Shri Tarachand Maurya. He
यस,
is 38 years old. His nature and behavior is very good. He is kind and honest person.
ऑनेस्ट नहीं, ऑनेस्ट,
Honest.
ऑनेस्ट,
Yes, sir. Honest
यस। हाँ,
person. His favorite fruit is apple
वेरी
and
गुड,
favorite color is red.
शाबाश।
My father watch TV.
वॉचेस, वॉचेस।
Watches TV sometimes.
हाँ,
He wakes up 7 a.m.
एट 7 AM।
At 7 a.m. He sleep at
हाँ, स्लीप नहीं, स्लीप, मैंने पहले भी बताया, स्लीप्स।
sleep at 9:30 p.m.
Good.
My, he is very punctual
हाँ,
and kind
चल, हाँ, ठीक है.
and and he use mobile for bank work.
शाबाश. Uses बोलना था आपको. कोई बात नहीं, बोलो, आगे बोलो.
Uses mobile for
हाँ,
bank work. He
हाँ.
helps my mother. He helps my ma. He helps my work.
In my work, he helps me in my work.
He
हाँ,
love for us.
हाँ, he loves us.
Yes, sir, he loves us,
हाँ,
and we loves to
हाँ,
him.
हाँ, loves नहीं, love. We आया ना subject. We love him.
We love him.
हाँ.
So that's it.
Very good. Very nice speaking, Rakshit. Keep it up. शाबाश. कोशिश करते रहो. Okay?
Thank you, sir.
Okay, बेटा. Yes, now, हर्षित. कैमरा चालू करो.
Yes, sir.
कैमरा चालू
Hello,
करो बेटा.
Miss
हाँ.
Harshit. I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from batch B9. Today's my topic is my father.
हाँ.
Father is the second most important person in our life
शाबाश. हाँ.
because father give us all things.
हाँ.
Fa- father give us सर वो क्या था?
Gives. Gives. ध्यान रखो. S और yes का. हाँ.
Experiments.
हाँ.
My father's name is Mr. Sitaram Mole. He is about 43 years old.
Yes.
He is a honest person.
हाँ.
He is a teacher.
Yes.
He is punctual.
फ्लो लाओ बेटा, थोड़ा सा गैप मत लाओ सेंटेंसेस के बीच में ना. कोशिश करो, थोड़ा सा गैप कम करो. Yes.
He do exercise daily.
Does. हाँ.
He does exercise daily. He watches. Sometimes he watches TV
Yes. बोलते रहो, बोलते रहो. हाँ.
early in the morning.
हम्म.
He read newspaper daily. He, his dream is RS.
हाँ.
His dream is RAS.
His dream is to become
His
an.
dream is to become an RS.
शाबाश. अब बिल्कुल सही बोला. आगे बोलो.
My father is hardworking.
हाँ.
My father go to office daily.
Goes.
Goes.
हाँ.
My father give me 10 rupees in every week.
ओके. इनकी जरूरत नहीं है. एवरी वीक ठीक है, बस इनकी कोई जरूरत नहीं है.
Yes, sir.
हाँ.
My father go to morning walk daily.
हाँ.
He worship God.
ओके.
He he helps me in my study.
ओके.
He do hard work for us.
डूग नहीं, डज. ही डज.
Yes, yes, sir.
मालूम तो तुम्हें है, पर ध्यान नहीं रखते हो. ध्यान रखो थोड़ा सा. आगे बोलो.
His favorite color is white. His favorite food is dal bati churma. He he do fast on Saturday.
डू ने keeps.
Keeps
Yes,
Yes.
sir. He is my hero.
Hmm.
He is vegetarian.
Okay.
That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा बेटा, शाबाश। बस थोड़ा गैप कम करो सेंटेंसेस के बीच का, है ना, फिर फ्लो आएगा थोड़ा सा।
Yes,
यस,
sir.
नाउ कम ऑन मनीषा।
Yes, sir.
यस।
Hello everyone. I'm Manisha. I'm the student of Ramban English Online Interactive Classes from B1 batch.
ओके।
Today I'm going to tell you about the role of father in our life. A father, a father have an very essential role in our life.
हैव क्यों, हैज आएगा।
Has
हाँ।
yes sir has an very essential uh, role in every children's life.
हाँ, चिल्ड्रंस नहीं, चिल्ड्रन, चाइल्ड आएगा, एवरी लगाया ना आपने उधर।
Yes sir.
एवरी तो सिंगुलर है, तो उसके साथ चाइल्ड ही आएगा ना, या फिर ऑल चिल्ड्रन करो आप।
Yes sir.
ओके, कोई बात नहीं, बोलो।
He is the best warrior and a very strong person
यस।
in the world
हाँ।
for it for his child.
हाँ।
A father is the only person after mother who loves his child selflessly.
ठीक है।
Father's anger for his child uh, is not uh, is not real is not anger in real sense.
यस
It's
यस,
the
शाबाश।
love of is the best love of the world.
हाँ।
He
तो
always he always shows right ways and paths his child
तो हिज चाइल्ड।
to his child
हाँ।
and always supports and guide him or her.
हाँ।
The father teaches good manners and behaviors to his child
हाँ।
from its birth and
हाँ।
wants to make his child a very successful person in the world.
वेरी गुड, शाबाश, बहुत अच्छा बोल रहे हो मनीषा, बहुत अच्छा बोल रहे हो। कंटिन्यू करो।
Uh,
हाँ।
Thanks. He always fulfills all monetary needs
हाँ।
and wishes of his child.
शाबाश।
He he works hard for his family and
यस।
he has all burden and responsibilities
वेरी गुड,
of
वेरी
his
गुड।
family
हाँ।
and and he also also plays them well
हैं।
and he also try to give his best.
शाबाश। यस।
Thanks sir.
हाँ।
Thank you sir.
ओके, वेरी गुड,
That
हो गया। ओके, वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा। अब थोड़ा सा कंटिन्यू रखोगे ना तो फ्लो थोड़ा अच्छा है, अभी 2-3 दिन में फ्लो आ जाएगा तुम्हारा, है ना। बाकी बहुत अच्छा है तुम्हारा, कोई बात नहीं, कीप इट अप। यस, तनु।
thanks sir.
हाँ,
Sir.
1 मिनट। हाँ। हाँ, तू बोल, अभी बोल तनु, 1 मिनट रुक जाओ, तू बोल, पहले बोल।
Yes, sir.
इच्छा, इच्छा के बाद बोलना है। इच्छा, अभी इसके बाद तनु के बाद आसमा, आसमा के बाद इच्छा, इच्छा के बाद बोलो आप, तेरे को, है ना। ओके। हाँ, यस, कम ऑन तनु, आ बेटा।
Hello everyone, my name is Tanu Maurya. I am a student of Raman Online Interactive Classes from Batch 10. Today's my topic is my father.
हाँ।
My father is most important part in my life, in my our life.
माई माई ठीक है ना, आवर क्यों लगा रहे हो।
Yes, sir.
हाँ
In
बेटा, आगे
my
बोल।
life.
हाँ।
My father name is Kalram Maurya.
हाँ।
He is about 40 years old.
हाँ।
He read newspaper daily.
हाँ
He puts on simple clothes.
हाँ हाँ
He watches TV.
हाँ, बोलो बेटा।
His favorite
हाँ,
his
हैज नहीं,
favorite
हिज
his favorite food is dal bati. His favorite color is white and blue. और
हाँ,
he is a punctual.
ए लगा रहे हो तो मैन लगाओ फिर, या फिर ए मत लगाओ। ही इज ए पंक्चुअल मैन, या फिर ए को
He
हटा
is
दो
a
आप
pun-
से।
he is a
हाँ
punctual man.
हाँ, ऐसे ए लगाते हैं ना बेटा, बाद में कोई नाउन आता है। हाँ आगे बोलो।
He is a eat food at 7 p.m.
इज क्यों लगा रहे हो? बी टाइप वर्ब थोड़ी आ रही है इसमें। ही
Yes,
ईट्स
sir.
फूड। हाँ
He eat food at 7 p.m.
ओके
He
यस।
sleep he sleep at 10 p.m.
बेटा स्लीप्स, एस और यस का ध्यान रखो आप।
Sleeps at 10 p.m.
थोड़ा सा ध्यान रखोगे तो फिर प्रैक्टिस में आ जाएगा। आगे बोलो।
He early in the morning.
हाँ हाँ, ही गेट्स अप अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग।
He gets up early in the morning.
घबराओ मत बिल्कुल भी। हाँ,
He is honest.
ऑनेस्ट होता है ये, ऑनेस्ट।
Honest.
हाँ
और he always comes on time.
हाँ,
और we like him very much.
वी लाइक हिम। हाँ
We like him very much.
हाँ
He put he is a simple man.
यस
He is a sim he is a sim- he puts on simple clothes.
यस।
He is he watches TV.
शाबाश, बोलो।
और his favorite
हाँ,
game
हैज नहीं, हिज।
his favorite game is cricket.
हाँ
और he is a simple person.
हाँ,
That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा। तनु,
Thank you,
तुम्हारा
sir.
सेल्फ प्रैक्टिस चल रही है नहीं चल रही है?
Yes, sir. चल रही है ना?
वो उसमें से कर रहे हो
Sir,
पैराग्राफ? हाँ
Yes, sir.
I
हाँ
leave.
ठीक है, कंटिन्यू रखो। कौन है?
Yes, sir.
Sir, मैं
मनीषा।
मनीषा.
हाँ मनीषा, यू मे लीव। यस, कम ऑन नाउ
Okay,
आसमा।
right, sir.
बहुत अच्छा बोला तुमने, कोशिश करो तनु ऐसे सेल्फ प्रैक्टिस कंटिन्यू रखो। आसमा आ जाओ।
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
हाँ
Hello, friend. My name is Asma. My topic is my father. My father is the most important in my life.
हाँ
My father name is Said Khan. He is RCC builder.
हाँ
He is about 49 years old.
हाँ
He is hardworking,
हाँ
and he get up early in the morning,
हाँ
and he read newspaper. He read newspaper daily,
हाँ, रीड्स,
and
एस और यस का ध्यान रखो। हाँ
he reads newspaper daily,
हाँ
and drink. Or my father my father my father is a sim my father is a my father he is punctual man, and he 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 is very very good man, and
हाँ,
he's
शाबाश।
very we are very nice,
हाँ
and he my father's favorite color is red,
हाँ
and he's he helps all people.
हाँ हाँ
He helps all people, and he gives pocket money every month.
हाँ, he gives us pocket money every month। हाँ
He
आगे
gives
बोलो।
us every month,
हाँ,
and
घबराओ मत बिल्कुल भी। हाँ
he he put on simple clothes.
हाँ, Puts
He
on.
put on simple clothes.
हाँ,
That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड। घबराया मत करो तुम्हें ना, बहुत अच्छा
Okay,
कर रहे
sir.
हो तुम। कोशिश क्या करो, सेल्फ प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हो नहीं कर रहे हो?
Love you, sir.
वेरी गुड। चेक करवाओ कल मेरे को, है ना, मंडे को चेक करवाना आप मेरे
Okay, sir.
को। यस, कम ऑन इच्छा।
Yes, sir. Hello, friends. My name is Ichha Singh, and today I am telling about my father. Role of father.
हाँ,
Uh, we are the most important our life, and mother is the second person. Mother is the second important person in our life. So father is a third important person in our life, because our identity is made by
बस, बहुत बढ़िया बेटा,
our
वेरी।
father.
हाँ,
uh, our our father always helps us
हाँ,
helps us to move forward.
वेरी गुड, बहुत बढ़िया, शाबाश बेटा। हाँ,
So my father is my third important person in my life.
हाँ,
My father's name is Mr. Rajkaran Singh. He is about 45 years old.
हाँ,
Uh, he is a horticulturer.
हाँ, हाँ,
He wakes up at 5 a.m. and teaches me.
हाँ, हाँ बेटा, बहुत अच्छा बोलिए, बोलती रहे तू। हाँ,
He goes to office daily.
शाबाश बेटा, बोल बोल बोल।
He is punctual man,
हाँ,
and he is kind person.
हम्म,
His nature is very well. He gives me not pocket money, because
it does not give me।
he does not give me pocket money, because because my father because my father's salary because my father's salary low.
ओके, इज लो, ओके,
Because my father's salary is low, but I am very happy.
वेरी गुड, शाबाश।
And he is and he is very good person. He goes to temple daily. He worshipped daily.
वर्शिप्स।
He worship daily.
हाँ,
He loves me, and I love my father.
हाँ,
Uh, Sometime he helps me. Sometime he helps me. That's it, sir. And I
बहुत
am
बढ़िया,
proud of my father.
बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, बहुत अच्छा बोला तूने, सच में
हाँ सर, बहुत अच्छा बोला इसने।
बहुत अच्छा बोला आज, शाबाश, वेरी
Thank you.
नाइस। कीप इट अप बेटा, है ना, बस मेहनत कर, कोई चिंता मत कर, है ना।
Yes, sir.
बहुत आगे जाएगा बेटा तू। वेरी नाइस। यस, कम ऑन अंकित, निकिता।
Today my topic is my father.
देखिए, सुन रहा है आपको? इच्छा सुन रहा है?
Yes, sir.
सुन रहा है, सुनाई दे रहा है आपको? निकिता बोल रही है।
Yes, sir.
ओके, निकिता कंटिन्यू करो, निकिता कंटिन्यू करो।
Okay. My father is a very important part of our life.
हाँ,
My father is my role model
हाँ,
because he is a perfect father.
यस,
He is only not only a father to me,
यस,
but also my best friend.
शाबाश। हाँ बेटा बोल।
I can share everything with him.
हाँ,
My father is a bank manager.
हाँ,
My father father lives in Ratangad with my family.
Shabash.
My father goes to bank daily.
Yes.
He wakes up at 7 a.m.
Good.
He is a very funny person.
हाँ बेटा शाबाश.
I call my father Motu.
Okay. ठीक है. बोल आगे बोल.
My father's favorite shows are भाभी जी घर पर है और जीजा जी छत पर है.
अच्छा ओके. वेरी गुड. शाबाश. हाँ.
My father is very simple man.
हाँ.
He is very emotional man.
हाँ.
He helps me in my every problem.
शाबाश.
He read newspaper daily.
हाँ.
He is punctual.
Yes.
My father is head of my family.
हाँ.
My father is he wears pant and t-shirt.
Okay.
He respects elders.
शाबाश.
He is my biggest hero.
हाँ.
He always takes care of his family.
हाँ.
He gives me pocket money in every month.
हाँ इनको हटाओ. Every month ठीक है बस.
Okay. My father works in the office.
हाँ.
So he doesn't even come home sometime.
Okay.
My father cooks very well. My father has a car and a bike.
Okay.
My father teaches me math.
Okay.
I love my father. That's it, sir.
Very good. Very nice speaking बेटा. Very nice speaking. कैसा लग रहा है अब? अब तो डर नहीं लग रहा? Okay. Very good. Brave बच्चा. शाबाश. हाँ बेटा. Yes. Now come on. Shri is my youngest student. और सुनिए आप इसको बहुत अच्छा बोलती है ये भी. Yes, come on बेटा आजा.
Hello everyone, my name is Shri. Today's my topic is father. A father is very important in our life because he fulfills our all requirements. Do so much hard work for us. He gives us
हाँ बोल.
My father's name is Mr. Nagendra Sharma. He is about 36 years old. He is a 38 person. My father is a doctor. He early in the morning he takes bath at about 5 o'clock in the morning. He goes to his clinic. He comes back at 2 o'clock afternoon to take rest. He take food and go and take rest. Again in evening he take milk and again go to his clinic. And he came back at about 9 o'clock in night. He take dinner and goes to his bedroom. He reads his books and and for some time he use mobile and sleep. My father's hobby is playing volleyball and reading books. There is My father has a big library. There are about 800 books in his library. Uh, he is a punctual person. My father always says that 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 health is wealth. Health is wealth. You can. He says that you can earn money anytime, but if you lose the health, you can't. You can't get health.
अरे वाह, शाबाश बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया. शी इज इन 5th क्लास. शी इज इन द 5th क्लास. यस, कम ऑन बेटा, शाबाश, बोल, आगे बोल.
He he says that take good food like fruits and etc. He says that don't take junk food. uh, Life is short, so so be happy and take good food. He he gives us 1 hour for fun.
शाबाश.
He teaches us. He have fun. He have fun with us.
हाँ, शाबाश, शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया बेटा. हाँ.
My father helps all. He 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 also he helps all. My father is a good and caring and loving father. I also love him and he also love us. Thank you, sir. That
शाबाश, very good बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया. And she is not from English medium, she is from Hindi medium. She is the youngest student I have ever taught in my life. But very nice performance, very good performance. Yes, come on, Pinky. Arya.
Jai Hind, all of you. My name is Pinky Olia. I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive classes. Today I am telling my father.
आवाज कहाँ गई?
आवाज नहीं आ रही गुरुजी?
थोड़ा जोर से बोल. आज तो वैसे भी जोर से बोलना चाहिए तेरे को वैसे झटके पे झटके करंट लगा हुआ है तेरे को वैसे आवाज तेज आनी चाहिए. आज तो बोल, थोड़ा जोर से बोल.
I know very well that father is very important in our life. My father help me always.
हाँ बेटा, Asma, yes, you can go बेटा. हाँ.
He works 10 hours. He is very hard working for us. He is shopkeeper. And my father name Mr. Jotmal Olia. He is about 45 years old. He gets up early in the morning. He does yoga and running both. Then he give to trees. He give water to trees daily in the morning, and he worship God. And then he goes to shop at 9 o'clock. And he is a simple man. My father best in the world.
My father is the best.
He is a simple man. He cooks food very nice. Dal bati and idli sambar and pakodi. And he puts on white shirt daily because he likes white color.
Very good.
And he believe of God very much. In God very much. And they work hard to make money. He works in the hot sun. He he worship God Tuesday. मतलब
ऑन
क्या
ट्यूसडे.
on Tuesday.
हाँ.
He keep fast on Tuesday. And he believe Bajrang Ji in very much. And, favorite sorry, my father he favorite food momo and dal bati, and he love very much all my family. He help poor people.
पोर नहीं, पुअर.
Poor people. He is a punctual man. And he love us. And, I am proud of my father. I will write my father name. And he read newspaper daily. He listen news to Delhi
तू की जगह पड़ गई अब.
daily. Sorry. He does yoga every day. My father is very happy in my life. My father, my best friend.
इसको भूल जाती है बार बार. हाँ.
He understanding me always.
Understands me. हाँ.
That's it.
वेरी गुड. थोड़ा सा बढ़ाओ, इम्प्रूव करो, थोड़ा सा थॉट्स इम्प्रूव करो थोड़े से अपने, है ना.
Okay.
थोड़े से थॉट्स इम्प्रूव करना शुरू करो आप अपने. थॉट्स का सर्कल बढ़ाओ, थोड़ा चीजों के बारे में ज्यादा सोचो थोड़ा सा आप. ओके, बट वेरी नाइस स्पीकिंग. टेक केयर. डॉक्टर वॉक्टर को दिखा लेना, ठीक है. वैसे तो 220 का वो होता है, 220 का कोई ज्यादा झटका नहीं होता, हल्का सा झटका लगता है, कोई खास बात नहीं है ना. लगते रहते हैं करंट करंट. चलो आ जाओ पूजा. यस कम ऑन पूजा. पूजा सेकंड.
गुड इवनिंग सर.
वेरी गुड इवनिंग. यस यस.
Good evening, everyone. Today I am telling about father. Father is not mean only father. Father means fathers. He is fathers. That he is hold his family in his feathers.
वेरी गुड. बहुत अच्छा.
And father is play most important role in our life.
इस मतलब फादर प्लेज. बीटा वर्ग नहीं है, मेन वर्ग है.
Okay, sir.
हाँ.
Now I am telling about my father. And my father name is Ramavatar Sharma. He is a head of my family, and he is working in a custom department. And he is live he lives in Bhilwara.
यस पूजा जी मेरे को. यस.
Because he transferred before 4 months.
हाँ.
And he is a simple man. He is
Yes,
a very kind and honest person.
हाँ.
And he is his favorite food is halwa puri.
वेरी गुड. बहुत अच्छा बोल रहे हो.
He likes potato chips and potato chips. His behavior is comedian, and
यस.
he takes care our family.
वेरी
He
गुड.
is Yes,
Carry
sir.
on, Pooja.
Acha. He is always ready for help everyone. He do not share our problems with us.
एक मिनट, he does not share his
Yes,
problems
sir. हाँ sir. He
with
does
us.
not
Okay, कोई बात नहीं.
share our problems with us because he he does not now every person is मतलब puzzled मतलब परेशान ना हो सर.
He does not want to make other persons puzzled.
Other person puzzled.
Okay.
He do not ignore our needs.
Does not. Does not.
हाँ sir, does not.
हाँ.
No, does not. He always ready for complete my requirements.
Complete की जगह fulfill.
Fulfill.
हाँ.
Today that time he is coming in Jaipur and he will be reach 10 o'clock on
Tonight.
station. Acha, tonight.
Okay.
Okay, sir. My father is my superhero. I am princess of my father.
Very good.
That's it, sir.
Very nice. तबीयत का ध्यान रखो अपना.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Oh, sir.
Just I am stopping the recording.